real. Hospice is real, man. Is that the coronavirus? I feel like that's what it will sound like. Because none of us know what that cough is. Like when you, like again, I get on the plane, if I hear someone go, I'm just like, fucking. Because you don't know what's gonna be the sound that's gonna transfer it, you know? But I feel like it is gonna be, that was very corona-y. Oh boy. Oh boy. What do you know? What do you do? I'd like to think the world's heading in the right direction, but then I'll watch some of my favorite shows, like Planet Earth. You know, David Attenborough used to be just so, you know, just articulate and beautiful with the narrations, but he's getting a little too raw, a little too honest. I think he knows what's happening. He's like, Tasmania is a world apart. Just like any other sanctuary this side of Australia. Winter means a struggle for survival. As the snow wolf fights for food, the platypus finds shelter in a nearby cave, which provides the perfect place for him to kill himself in. Why would he do that, Dave? Because we're all gonna die. Global warming.